What makes Enhancing Classroom Practice with Research Behind Principles to Action by Spangler and Wanko the best textbook for learning how to be the best mathematics teacher? It covers all the best practices for getting students to learn and reason. Research supports the idea that cognitively demanding tasks ensures that all students learn. This book describes all aspects of CDTs that are needed for success, from goal setting and using representation as tools to facilitating mathematical discourse and productive struggle. This book has it all. Do you want to know how to assess and advance students' reasoning by using purposeful questions? Then this book is what you are looking for. So, what are some of these best practices that are supported by NCTM and CCSSM? Let's think about what being a successful math teacher might look like. 1. Consistently selecting high-level tasks, even to teach day-to-day math topics and procedures. 2. Maintaining high-level demands throughout the lesson. 3. Facilitating meaningful mathematics discourse. 4. Using purposeful questions to assess and advance students' reasoning and sense-making. And 5. Supporting productive struggle, because when a teacher says less and allows her students to struggle, her students learn more by constructing their own understanding of math. Let me tell you, this book has no weaknesses. There are only strengths. The book describes the conditions, structures, and policies that must exist for all students to learn. What more could you want? There are 8 guiding principles and 5 essential elements that are necessary for effective mathematics teaching and learning, and they are all in this book. What might these principles and elements be, you might ask? The 8 guiding principles are: establish mathematics goals to focus learning, implement tasks that promote reasoning and problem solving, use and connect mathematical representations, facilitate meaningful mathematical discourse, pose purposeful questions, build procedural fluency from conceptual understanding, supports productive struggle in learning mathematics, and elicit and use evidence of student thinking. The 5 essential elements are: engage students in meaningful learning through individual and collaborative experiences that promote learning and reasoning. All students must have access to high-quality curriculum. Develop connections between mathematics and the real world. Make available to all students the necessary tools and technology to learn and make sense of mathematical ideas, reason mathematically, and communicate their mathematical thinking. And assessment is an integral part of instruction and is used as feedback to students, instructional decisions, and program improvement. So go to Amazon.com today and get your copy of Enhancing Classroom Practice before they're all gone. Here's hoping all you math teachers have a great year.